It's so nice. Just look at that. That is insanely beautiful. Oh my God, guys. It's a silver pocket watch. Oh my God. I've always wanted to find a pocket watch, and look at that. Look at the Roman numerals. Oh my God. Holy, it is insanely beautiful. Just look at that. Oh my God. On the trail up towards the old hotel built in the 1800s, no longer here. I'm in shock. This is what I've always wanted to dig right here. This is insane. And if I could only make you believe it, that when we first came up here, we were talking about pocket watches. That's what metal detecting is all about. Just popped this silver, looks like a dime. Don't know what year it is. That looks like an old Canadian. Oh my God, it's American. It's a one dime. If this is seated, I'm gonna freak out. Flip the side.
1905, Jake.
1905 Barber dime.
Wow.
Wow. Last night we got the silver pocket watch. Today we got that beautiful 1905 Barber dime. Big bucket lister. Holy. Let's go.
Insane, man.
Really weird signal on the Equinox, but it was diggable. It's so nice. Big bucket lister. It's in insane shape. Oh, mint. It's my oldest American silver, my oldest silver coin dug.